Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to continue my series, Get to Know. If you've seen this series, you know it's where I show you my entire collection from different brands. Let's see, I've already done Get to Know, John Renau, Noriko, Envy, Ellen Villa, Beltress, I don't know, a lot of them. But today we're going to, and if you want to see those, just check out my YouTube channel. They're all there. Today we're going to look at the brands that are under the Adirond's hair goods. Now that's Rene of Paris, the Alexandra Couture Collection, Noriko. Now Noriko I've already done. I had a lot of Noriko wigs, so it had its own video. I've already done that. Let's see, also this is Amore. They have Fair Fashion, they have the Orchid Collection, they have the Rene of Paris Muse Collection. There's a lot under that big umbrella from Adirond's. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you will like and subscribe to this channel. I also have a website, Crazywiglady.com. I'll put it up here somewhere. And that is where I sell some of my private collection. Some of the wigs I've gently worn are for sale over there. So be sure to check that out. All right, let's get started because I got a whole lot of wigs to show you. Okay, like I told you, I'm going to show you a whole lot of wigs today. Now, this is not a wig review. I've already reviewed these wigs. If you will look in the drop-down box below this video, you will find links to all the videos that I've done on these styles. Now, all of these styles were either purchased with my own funds or they were provided for previous review from Wig Studio One. All of these wigs are from wigstudio1.com. Again, if you would like to see individual videos, just look in the drop-down box below. I'm not going to talk through this video because usually I stop and talk about each one, but I have so many that we would be here all day. So I'm just going to show you the wig. I will put the name of the wig up above, and like I said, if you want to see the video, you can just click below in the drop down box and see a full video that has outdoor lighting of the color, specs, cap construction, and everything. So let's get started and look at some of these gorgeous wigs. All right, I hope you enjoyed that showcase of all these beautiful wigs. This was so much fun. Please subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit that notification button so you'll get a notification every time I upload a video. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.